Oh.
Hi folks, I'm Kelvin.
Okay.
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 Okay. Ganz kurz.
Okay.
Ich muss mich entspannen.
Ja.
Machen wir es einfach übertrieben, aber nicht zu arg. Okay. Und jetzt schauen wir mit dem Bild bleiben. Hi folks, I'm Kelvin.
Hi, and I'm I'm the god of hellfire.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi folks, I'm Kelvin.
Hi, and I'm Reese. Today we want to announce the Worldwide Unix Show exclusively broadcasted on YouTube.com.
Our show is all about the funniest made experiment ever.
You guys out there account for the success of our show.
So what do the people out there have to do, Reese?
That's pretty easy, Kevin. They have to send us whatever item they want. It could be fun, strange, ordinary, maybe disgusting, or simply a postcard.
A message on a postcard with your favorite love or hate message for special persons on it.
Yeah. When we receive your item or postcard, we will proudly present it on our weekly show.
If you ever wanted to show the world your stuff, now you have the chance.
We, Calvin and Reese, promise you to present all your stuff on our show and make you part of YouTube history.
So, please send your postcards or items to Kelvin and Reese, Postfach 24 4029, Linz, Austria.
And don't forget, Austria is not Australia. Austria is a country in the heart of Europe.
We're known for Red Bull, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and also the delicious Wiener Schnitzel.
So we are looking forward to get your items and postcards. Again, the address:
Kelvin and Reese, Postfach 24 4029, Linz, Austria.
To promote the show worldwide, please send the YouTube link to every person you know. Post it on your MySpace account and tell everybody about
Right items.
Yes, the very next show will be broadcasted on the 1st of June 2007.
So people, thanks in advance for supporting our show and let's have fun together.
Bye.
Bye.